Hello, and this is how you take your iOS 7 screen where it's frozen out of it and put it in recovery mode and get it back to your downgraded version of 6.1.3 or 6.1.4 on your iPhone, any iPhone. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to what this is called is a program, it's called Rec Boot, and you put it in recovery mode pretty much with a click of a button. All you need to do is plug it into your laptop with your iPhone cord, connect your phone to iTunes, read it right there, I don't care, and you download it right here, either Windows or Mac. You might have to look a little bit around for it because sometimes it doesn't show up. Like this. So you have to go right here. Let's see. Right here. There's all sorts of them. So, alright. Now you are going to start it, and this is what it'll look like when you search it. Rec Boot, you'll just click this button. I'm not going to show you because I just did it, and I don't feel like recovering anything else. But it's going to work. It's guaranteed. So when you have that, you will, once it's in recovery mode, you will want to download the latest version of iOS on your, what kind of iPhone you have. Depends if you have the 5, the 4S, the 4, the 3, the 2G. And then once you get to that, I have a 4S, so I'll show you. You'll click on the newest one. So for 5 it would be 6.1.4, 2G would be 3. Alright, you get the point. When you get it, you just click